Welcome back to Zeke the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on ghost mode on Snapchat. So as you know, Snapchat ghost mode is going to make people not know about your current location, right? So maybe you just want to live a very low-key and private life, so you just want to turn off that right there. Turn off your location so that your friends can know your current location, right? So I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing, you have to open up your Snapchat app like this, and you can see this icon right here that's showing location. Click on that and it's going to show you. Once this pop up on your screen, just click on don't allow, so you don't have to even go further to turn off the ghost mode, because once your location is turned off, nobody can actually know your location, you understand? But let's just continue. Let's assume your location is already on. So now we click on allow. So as you can see, this is like the map, you understand? So the next thing you have to do, click on this settings right here. Okay, we have to allow it turn on, so my location will be turned on. Now you click on this right here. You saw that settings icon, so now you can see ghost mode. Once you turn this, okay, turn this off. Okay, so once you want to turn this on like this, you can see you can either choose for 3 hours, 24 hours, or until you turn it on. So this is actually how to turn on your ghost mode on Snapchat. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.